concerned the act of laying barbed wire fence carried out by the Thai military force on August 25, 2025 at 2:20 p.m. in Chey village, Obeichuan commune, Ochero district, Banteay Minh Chey province, which is located opposite Nong Chan village, Khok Song district, Sakai province, Thailand. Then at 3:15 p.m., the Thai force again attempted to restore the barbed wire. However, they were strongly resisted by the Cambodian landowners and other local residents until the Thai force took back their barbed wire. I wish to emphasize that from the night of August 25 until the morning of August 26, 2025, the landowners and other local people who have stolen united in the response to the above-mentioned acts by the Thai military force is merely motivated by their deep concern over the Thai military barbed wire fencing and by their determination to protect what they regard as their legitimate property. Their actions stem solely from their love for their motherland and their desire for safeguard their legal possessions. During the above incident, our Cambodian force and other relevant competent authorities, all unarmed and stationed in the area, were also present to ensure the safety of our Cambodian citizens. Both our force and authority have carried out their duty with professionalism and high responsibility. Furthermore, our force have strictly adhered to the ceasefire term agreed upon in the special meeting between the Prime Minister of the Cambodia and Thailand held on July 28, 2025. An initiative proposed by the President of the United States, Donald J. Trump, as well as the extraordinary meeting of the General Border Committee, GBC, concluded on August 7, 2025 in Malaysia. And I wish to emphasize that Cambodia has remained firmly committed to resolving the issue peacefully, avoiding the escalation of tension and renewed military confrontation. In this regard, Cambodia urged the Thai side to fully and consistently respect the ceasefire, particularly the spirit of the extraordinary meeting of the Regional Border Committee, RBC, between Cambodia Military Region 5 and Thai First Army Area, held on August 22, 2025, which reaffirmed commitment to refrain from expanding the dispute area and to avoid any action that could escalate tensions. Cambodia wishes to reiterate that all disputes related to the border issue must be resolved through the Joint Boundary Committee, JBC, of both countries, in line with the spirit of the 2000 Memorandum of Understanding, MOU 2000.